How to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. Now for the people who don't know, there is no separate option within the app of Snapchat to turn on dark mode. But however, Snapchat is trying to add this feature and it should be available within a couple of months. But for the time being, what you can try out is if you have a separate setting on a device called dark mode, you can try turning that option on. So you just open up your settings and search for dark mode, or it should be under your display settings. Mine is inside right here, and if I tap on this more options, it gives me the ability to toggle on dark mode on separate applications. So you can see there is also an option called Snapchat. I can just toggle this option on. Now when you turn on dark mode through this way, the dark mode option may or may not be turned on. Some phones will allow you to do that, but some phones won't. So make sure you check that out on your phone and see if it works for you. So that's the way that you turn on dark mode on Snapchat until Snapchat officially adds it as a feature. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys liked and found this video useful. That's going to be all for today's video, and I'll be back with more.